Hi guys, that's a final presentation for the final project of the Etsy shop setup. So my hypothetical situation was we had Elizabeth who wanted to improve her Etsy shop that she has crafts in and selling dental appliances, in particular dental night guards. So knowing that, she wanted to get better, she wanted to increase more sales and overall get improved. So we as knowledgeable developers, we set up a promotional brochure for her saying, we are people for you. We can improve your potential presence in Etsy shop as well as online further. We can create better pictures for you. We can redesign. We can optimize your website with SEO keywords and everything and everything. So she said, okay, let's take a look at it. So here we go. So we went to Etsy shop and we kind of searched dental night guards. I actually misspelled night guards. And out of all the options, April 19, 2020, only one dental shop that makes night guards came up. I did the correct word, even only one came up, which is hers, which is good. And then that's her shop. Her shop is not attractive. Her shop only has, 6 pictures of whatever there is, just one picture of what it is all about, and that's it. So we talked to her saying that, since we want to improve your online presence, here we go. We are going to further take a look at it, and we kind of took a look at dental grills. And that's the one I found. And actually, surprisingly, somewhere from my first part of this project, I found that people are even buying this stuff when the coronavirus is going on. Yeah, it takes a little bit longer, but people are still getting their grills. So I Googled this, I searched it more, and look at this CS grills. They have varieties after varieties. So they have about 60 products, which how it should be on Etsy shop. So we decided to improve, and she agreed that she can produce more. She can we can actually take different pictures of her for her of dental night guard varieties such as color. Then she said, oh, in that respect, I can actually also do retainer. I can actually also do the TMJ splint. I can actually also do the sports performance appliance. So more products are going to be as compared to just having one lonely product where no one, and look at how much you only had 7 sales. That competitive shop that sells dental grills, they had what? They had 4,500 sales. So she agreed, and we started to design for her and everything. And let's take a look at the video now I did for the Access database.
So for Elizabeth, since she wanted to have your Etsy shop selling dental removable appliances, I set it up in 3 tables. There's a customer list table, inventory table. Now, inventory, it's not something that she has from the suppliers like a regular shop would have. It is something that she's going to set up by building it. And purchasing table. Purchasing table, of course, is the most interesting table of all, where actually some of the fields are calculated as compared to queries from the table. So we'll just quickly go over the customer, not anything important, regular. Of course, each table has a primary key, and then like we said in the webshop, there's a foreign key for referential integrity. The purchasing table, however, is the most interesting because that's where the data is going to be going in and calculated. So some of the fields, some of the data types actually calculate data types. So we are going to take a look at the customers list of customers. We have 10. I kind of build up from ordering form. We have 10 customers with all the population, with all the fields populated. We have inventory saying that this customer bought that, the type and everything. And in the purchasing table. The purchasing table gives us more information in terms of the final price based on quantity, as well as total final price. That's the final price plus the tax. In addition, I built a table of calculating the different sales tax since Elizabeth asked. So she's like, well, I'm going to be estimating the taxes. Okay, well, that's how it goes. So we're just going to add quickly to see how it goes. This is the form. That's the form that I did. So let's say here we go, we're going to have new customer, right? We're going to add Donald Trump, phone number, good, email, Trump at gmail.com, of course, street number, street name, city. I'm just going to abbreviate that one, USA. Here we go. Now that was the field that we did for the customer. Now the items, right? So Donald Trump wants a sports guard, since he thinks he's good at sports and he wants to have some performance. He wants large, color he wants green, since he wants to be green. Type, it's a hard, since he's a tough guy. Price, setup, all the appliance $85. Total appliance he wants one, since the economy is not doing that well. And look at that, right? So the queries performed within the form said, oh, 85 bucks and 92.25 with the sales tax. Now I'm going to click tab. We're going to select the date, and I'm going to click tab to save, like it says here. And here we're filling out the 11th customer right now. So Donald Trump is the 11th, and in the lower left-hand corner. Once I click tab, that's going to change to 12. Good. So now we have new, and we're going to quickly take a look. Customers. Oh yeah, Donald Trump. So his customer ID is 69, which is the primary key. I'm going to go to purchases. Customer ID is 69. He bought one night guard. That's how much, 722 sales tax he paid. And 69. So item ID is 86. So let's go. We'll go to inventory. 86. He bought dental night guard. $85. Large green hard. Very good. So that's being populated. So now we're going to go and take a look at the customers purchasing table. All right, so we just want to run a report. Oh, Donald Trump, he bought dental sports guard, quantity 1, 85 bucks, total 92.22. But Elizabeth wanted to have more. She's like, well, I need to know how much sales tax I paid. So we said that for Donald Trump, yeah, so you see Donald Trump is 69. The sales ID was 72. So for, I might actually add the name there, for 72. So for 72 right there is a Donald Trump. So for him, there was this tax, but I guess here it doesn't matter the name, it just matters the overall total that she would need to pay group per month.
Right. So in terms of the Gantt chart, now we know what to expect. So to summarize the Gantt chart, we're going to get all the information from Elizabeth, set it up. We pretty much know what she needs to do. We're going to start working on SEO, keywords, design, quality, good pictures, and everything. I'm going to be hiring a designer to do that, since I cannot do everything myself. Once designer is Elizabeth signed up and designer is found, we are going to start working. We're going to make sure with Elizabeth that she proves different steps. Then she's going to sign up, she's going to upload the picture, she's going to do all that. We're going to show you how to do the Access database, and pretty much she'll be up on her own. I want to go over a couple of samples we've presented to Elizabeth to improve her website. Like, these are much juicier and much more presentable, more variety than what she had originally on her website. So originally she had a website like this with only one image there. I would like to conclude that whatever Elizabeth decides to do, this might be a HIPAA regulated information that it has to be stored securely on the website, encrypted, password protected, cloud backed up, and all those things she has to keep up in mind.